Yeah, let me balance you out. So election and chill. What you know about? Feeling so damn good from the inside out. I'll provide the vibe.
You guys, so I am cleaning right now, so that's what I'm trying to do, and try to get this place completely cleaned up. So let's do some stuff. Sorry for the laundry, the noise of my laundry going on in the background. I'm also washing some clothes right now. You know when you just get out of the shower and your lips are like super dry? So I've been actually using the topicals, Silk Salve, a mint lip balm. I love it. Definitely repurchasing. I got this actually in PR, but what's it called? I love it. It makes my lips feel super moisturized, and you guys know I love topicals. So I've been watching Kyra's vlogs, and I was like watching it while I was working out, and I thought I was caught up. Like I thought I didn't catch up, but I guess I'm completely caught up with her vlogs. Let me just make sure. Yeah, I guess I'm completely caught up. So I just like to like catch up on my favorite like YouTubers and stuff. Like I watch Aaliyah's Face, Kyra, Alexis Rebecca, and all that stuff. So I'm like trying to make sure I'm all caught up. Talitha, Taja, Monet, all of them. So I have a lot of people's vlogs to catch up on though. Let me see. Yeah, I got a lot of people's vlogs to catch up on. So I'm about to do that now. Yeah, I'm about to do that now. We're doing that now as we're cleaning.
Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna put the phone down. When we're alone, I wanna zone out. Baby, with you, I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now.
To know if I could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going
just finished cleaning. I'm literally gonna sweep, mop, dust, and vacuum tomorrow. I'm done for today. I'm done for today. But this is good because now I feel better at being in my home. Don't mind all that. This is all the boxes and stuff that I gotta move out. But other than that, it's giving, you know, more organized and all that jazz. Because I was like, things were all over the place. So it makes me feel better. Once again, don't mind the dryer. I'm gonna have a salad. Yeah, I think I'm in the mood for a salad. I think I'm gonna have salad. Either that or I can make my pasta, but I'll probably eat dinner later because I haven't had anything other than that smoothie. So that's what we're gonna do. Let's just make a quick salad and keep watching some vlogs and all that jazz. Oh, it's so nice to like it's so nice vlogging again because it's been so long, you guys, but it is what it is. I had to deal with life first. Where's my salad bowl? Okay, I have like a little bowl that I usually use for my salads or to mix things, so I'm gonna try the citrus crunch that I told you guys about earlier. One bag is basically one serving, so I mean, hopefully it's good. I've never tried it before. Oh, this is small. This is a small salad. This is the appetizer. I don't even know why I got that big. This is a legit appetizer, you guys. Look. There's like barely anything in here. I really didn't need this big salad bowl. Could have done something smaller. It's whatever. To hold me over, I'm trying to defrost some scallops. So that's actually what I'm gonna have for dinner. And I already have some pasta. So that's why I'm just having the salad right now, and then I'm gonna make the scallops and stuff for later. But this is to hold me over until I actually make some dinner. So I hope you guys have been having a great day. I don't even know, y'all. This is a lemon vinaigrette. It'd be nice if I could open it. Oh, the whipped thing is over there. Okay, let's see. Or not. Can I open it? I don't understand. Need scissors. Oh my god, we haven't even talked since Cowboy Carter came out, I don't think. I love that album. I love it completely down. I just want you guys to know that when she goes on tour, I'll be there in some cowboy boots and a cowboy hat and the whole outfit. I just want you guys to know. I shall be there. We're all writing workers. You already know Diamond and I are going to be there. It's going to be Beyonce part 2, low key. But I'm going to literally eat the salad, have some wine, and then until I guess I make my pasta. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. Or I should be healthy and continue drinking water, even though I've been, honestly, like I said, been drinking so much water lately. But yeah, I think this is gonna be my little break. I need a little break. But alright, y'all. Catch up with you later.